Hey guys, quick video on the Hondas, 2.4 litre engines and some of the 2 litres, I guess, if they come in that variant. The KA24, right? This is the Vtech block. This is the Vtech seal and filter. Now, working from above the vehicle, unplug these connectors, right? And unplug the wiring connector from here. Right, so it's actually in the vehicle, it's this way. That's how it sits in the car. This one cut it, right, from the top. So there's not much room, you've got the aircon up here, but you get it. Cut that, unplug the harness from there, and remove it from the oil pressure switch. See the blue one? And swing it out of the way. That oil pressure switch, you leave it behind it from under the vehicle. Okay, leave it out of the way, swing the wiring harness over, and you basically, you can leave this little number 10 bolt for the shield in the side. You don't need to remove it, but you can if you want. And then remove these 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there they are there, they're all the same length. And you should find that the seal is extremely brittle and hard and stuff like that. The basket in this one with 150,000 is perfectly clear, but we have had them with the baskets blocked, malfunctioning the Vtech. The last tip, so the Vtech block's going to be sitting there. The most important part of this job is to not drop this block. What you do, right, and that's why I actually do remove this 10 from the side. Now, to remove that 10 from the side, you might want to bend the heat shield on the exhaust over a little bit. Sorry, I'm in a rush because if my phone rings, we get disconnected, right? Now, if you want to remove that 10, so be it. It's better, but you've got no clearance with the exhaust on this Accord, so you want to bend it with a lever like that without damaging anything. Most important part of this, once you get this off, put a bolt back in it, because when this lets go, it just flies out. And then get a screwdriver just like this, not too small, not too big, and when it's in on the vehicle, just give it a little touch here, and the Vtech block should release. It's going to be stuck on this seal. And obviously keep it all clean and remove all the old sealed stuff. Hope that helps. That's a KA24 Vtech oil leak. Bye.